Hey, what's going on, Chloe?
Daddy's love is in the air.
What are you talking about, Chloe?
I think I'm in love with somebody.
Excuse me?
The customers, Daddy.
Oh, the customers. Okay.
Whew. You almost had me there for a minute, Chloe. But you know what? She is right. We really do love our customers here at Anthony Underwood Automotive, and we show it every chance we get by offering our customers great prices and even better customer service. In fact, check out some of our new inventory.
Come by today and test drive this beautiful metallic silver 2013 Chevy Equinox. This one-owner vehicle is equipped with MP3 sound system and alloy wheels. You can own this nice crossover SUV for payments as low as $249 per month.
Come to my dad's dealership, Anthony Underwood Automotive. We'll like new cars and unlike new prices. Why go anywhere else? AnthonyUnderwood.com